Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and wanting to break free from the cycle of debt and build wealth that generates income around the clock without you having to trade time for money? Making money while you sleep is the ultimate dream for many, but it can be challenging to know where to start and how to make it a reality. The truth is that creating passive income streams takes time and effort, but the payoff can be massive, and the freedom it provides is invaluable. One of the most significant advantages of passive income is that it can help you achieve financial independence and live the life you've always wanted. I've spent years researching and testing various passive income ideas, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. From investing in dividend-paying stocks to creating and selling online courses, there are numerous ways to generate passive income. Some of these methods may require an initial investment of time or money, but they can pay off in the long run. One of the most effective ways to get started with passive income is to leverage the power of affiliate marketing. By promoting high-quality products and services from reputable companies, I've partnered with a company that offers a range of excellent products, and I've seen firsthand the impact it can have on people's lives. By joining their program, you can start earning commissions and building your own passive income stream. The results can be staggering, and the potential for growth is enormous. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building the life you deserve, click the link below to get started today and start generating the passive income you need to achieve financial freedom.